Welcome to Biker's Choice. In today's video, we're diving into the world of electric scooters with a detailed look at the Roadrunner electric scooter. With its sleek design and innovative features, the Roadrunner is making waves in urban transportation. Let's explore what sets this scooter apart and why it might be your next ride. Design and build quality. The Roadrunner electric scooter boasts a modern, aerodynamic design that not only looks great, but also enhances performance. The frame is constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. Its lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver in crowded city streets, while the adjustable handlebars provide comfort for riders of all heights. Performance and range. When it comes to performance, the Roadrunner does not disappoint. Powered by a robust electric motor, it offers impressive acceleration and a top speed that makes commuting a breeze. The scooter features a long-lasting battery that provides a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides around town. Additionally, the regenerative braking system helps extend the battery life by converting kinetic energy back into stored power. Features and technology. The Roadrunner is packed with features designed for convenience and safety. It includes a bright LED headlight for visibility during nighttime rides and a digital display that shows speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Smart connectivity features allow riders to track their routes and monitor performance through a companion app, making it easy to stay connected while on the go. Comfort and ride experience. Comfort is key when it comes to riding, and the Roadrunner excels in this area. The scooter is equipped with a spacious, cushioned seat that provides a comfortable riding experience, even on longer journeys. Its suspension system effectively absorbs bumps, ensuring a smooth ride on various surfaces. Whether you're navigating busy streets or enjoying a leisurely ride in the park, the Roadrunner keeps you comfortable throughout. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Roadrunner electric scooter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their urban transportation. With its stylish design, impressive performance, and thoughtful features, it stands out in the crowded electric scooter market. If you're considering an electric scooter, the Roadrunner is definitely worth a test ride. Thanks for joining us today on Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the Roadrunner? Would you consider adding it to your rides? Let us know.